Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and welcome to a Wednesday video. We're going to be talking about a little bit about technology, and specifically we're going to be talking about ClickFunnels and Systeme.io. I'm going to break this video up into a few things. The first is, let me share with you my strategy. Obviously, if you're watching this video, this is not your typical Systeme.io versus ClickFunnels video, which is the best software. I'm an affiliate marketer, guys. On this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing and I share with you guys skill sets that are related to affiliate marketing. Therefore, when I review or do these comparisons, I'm looking at it from an affiliate marketing perspective. I hope this is clear. And everything that I do offer is in relation to that. So I'm not somebody who is a pro or an expert in the software itself. I'm using the software specifically for an end purpose or goal. So if that's something that's interesting for you, I'm saying this upfront so that you get the most value from these techie videos on Wednesday. If you're an affiliate marketer, I hope this helps you the most. For everybody else, I apologize in advance if I'm not covering any of the points. If you have any questions specifically, let me know in the comment section below so that I can create another video on a Wednesday related to the topic that you have asked. Okay. Remember, on Wednesday, I talk about technology. I talk about the AI that I use and so on and so forth also. Okay. So let's get into the details. Again, I'm going to go through first and foremost, share with you exactly what my affiliate marketing strategy is. So this is the strategy that I follow. It's a very simple strategy. It is called, what I call it, affiliate marketing essential strategy, because it focuses on two affiliate marketing essential skills, which is basically advertising and copywriting, or learning, I would say, to convert the copy into sales. That's the two skills that are the most important. And copy is in your sales process. It is in your emails. It is at every step of the way. So if you learn that and improve that and grow that in time, you just get better and better and better conversions. So whatever you start, you can always grow and improve. The step that we use this kind of software as an affiliate marketer is in step number 2. Now, step number 2 can be used as step number 1 as well. It is a very simple funnel that you can build called a bridge funnel, and it has a landing page where it collects an email address that goes to a bridge page and then shares an offer or service, which can be a third party offer or service. This is what a bridge funnel looks like. It's the best converting funnel that is applicable in the space. You can have other kinds of funnels, but if you're an affiliate marketer, this is the best option to get started. So that is my affiliate marketing strategy. I basically create a fund. I use that fund to use paid advertising. I personally use paid advertising, but other people use maybe even free as well, to center a funnel which is built on one of the softwares and goes to an affiliate offer that I promote. And based on that affiliate offer that I promote, I get a commission, which is maybe 50, 60, 70%, even up to 100% commissions is what I personally have on the back end of my funnels. Hope it's clear. This is the entire process. Let me just go through the two different softwares that we have. So the first one is Systeme.io. Systeme.io is an all-in-one tool. ClickFunnels, in my opinion, also is an all-in-one tool that you have. So both are all-in-one tools. Let me just very clearly mention this. I'm going to break this down into features are pretty much the same. The quality and level is a bit different. So Systeme.io is obviously a newer, a younger company that exists in this space. ClickFunnels is an older, wiser, more savvy, more tech savvy company that exists in this space. As an affiliate marketer, I personally was using ClickFunnels before, but now for the last 3 years I'm using Systeme.io for my email marketing, Systeme.io for my landing page building capabilities, Systeme.io for everything email related, everything website related, everything blog related is all done on Systeme.io for myself. I did not have that capability using it with ClickFunnels before. Okay, so I hope that's clear. Feature wise, as I mentioned, pretty much similar options are available. You have sales funnels, email marketing, website builder, affiliate program, business automations, webinars, blogging. You can sell products. You can have online courses. All of those are visually available with a main fundamental editor that once you learn that fundamental editor, you can use all of these sections right here. You can easily build it. If you look at ClickFunnels itself, if I scroll down here, you can see that you can build your funnel, and a lot of people are using ClickFunnels, by the way, for creation. You can attract, sell. You can see this whole process that's available. They have all of these apps these are the features, basically: the landing page, surveys, countdown funnels, courses. Let's see what else they have to offer. Your community, They have, I believe, emails, automations. So you have stored right here, emails, automations, message hub. This is quite nice. Then you also have appointments. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we're reaching opportunities, analytics, discounts, payment AI, payment integration, basically short links and affiliate center. Okay. The affiliate center is pretty good with ClickFunnels. And then like it's very easy to get started. So ClickFunnels, as I mentioned, has been there for the longest time. It's the main competitor, let's say, that moved from the website perspective. So what is a website and so on and so forth, to a funnels based. And if you see my t-shirt that I'm wearing, I'm a funnel hacker myself, guys. I've used ClickFunnels in the past, so I have no who's the better one, but rather which one serves the purpose the most. So in terms of affiliate marketing, in my opinion, if you're just, it depends where you are. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, then I would suggest to get Systeme.io. That's just my opinion. Okay, I will cover why specifically. We're looking at the features, right? So specifically for the features itself, it makes sense to have them because you don't need any complicated features as an affiliate marketer getting started. So you basically need a landing page builder. You need a way to send emails. That is pretty much it. Those two features you can get with Systeme.io itself. You can get the same features with ClickFunnels as well, but this is where the pricing comes into perspective. So if you're a newbie, then I would suggest you get Systeme.io. If you're, however, an advanced marketer, maybe you're looking to go to be even a vendor, or you're at a different scalability of it, maybe you have already a good brick and mortar business. I would say if you're just getting started with ClickFunnels, then maybe if you have a good brick and mortar business where you already know your sales process, you already know your sales structure, and you want to take your business online, maybe ClickFunnels would be a better option for you. If you move to a vendor of a product and you want to have affiliates, I would suggest also ClickFunnels to be the first option for you, not Systeme.io. Okay, that is my honest opinion about it. But we'll look also at the pricing, because the moment I hit the pricing, I think that's where things take a different toll. I know my video is lagging, guys, but I'm going to continue with this video because I really want to complete it. And I know that it makes sense, and I know that I am lagging, but this is why I'm talking, because it has to, sometimes the browser has to take time to load. Once everything's loaded, then the video gets clear again. It's just, I've noticed it keeps happening. So I'm going to go ahead. As you can see right here, we're looking at Systeme.io first. In terms of Systeme.io, what is the price range? You go from a 0, so you can get started absolutely for free with Systeme.io. It's what I did for an entire year. You know what? I think that if you are using a product and you test it yourself, you can talk about it better. So that's what I did personally. I got started with Systeme.io for free, and now I'm on the startup plan, which cost me $17 a month. I think for a newbie, if you're getting started and you're serious about affiliate marketing, the startup plan is where you can. First and foremost, because it's not a huge startup cost, right? You're paying $17 a month. Netflix costs more than Systeme.io. Okay, now let me just put it that way. Netflix costs more than Systeme.io. Systeme.io's startup plan is $17, and it has pretty much everything that you need. And the only reason why I say that if you're a newbie and you're serious about it, you should get the startup plan, is because you can have 10 campaigns, not one. If you get started for free, you can just have one campaign. With here, you can have 10 campaigns. So let's say you have 2 or 3 products that you want to be an affiliate for, but you want to have different campaigns for each one. And you want automations to go through the campaigns so that you know which emails are getting, which people are getting which emails, and so on and so forth. Just 10 campaigns makes sense. Automations also, you have more, you have a better control over workflow because you have 5 workflows. So in case you want to build a blog, like I have a workflow for my blog, I have automations for my funnels. That's personally how I do it. But let's say you want different workflows on your blog, you can still build your blog and you can have those workflows just for your blog. Okay, so it's pretty cool to think about, and all of that for $17 is pretty nice. Now I'll show you an example of my blog for you guys to see what's possible. But I have courses on Systeme.io. I have websites and funnels on Systeme.io. I have my own blog on Systeme.io. And what else do I have? Pretty much everything under the sun. My email marketing is done with Systeme.io. Everything is done under the sun. Plus, you have access to, you can get at least 3 domains. So this is also another option that's available in case you want to do things on scale. Scale. A limited scale, but still some scale. You can do that there. Okay. Events, blocker, and calendar. You can have your integration set up. Everything pretty clearly that's available here. So that's a $17 option. I'm gonna skip the webinar one because, in my opinion, if you are seriously thinking about it as a newbie, you would get started up with the startup, or you would go directly to the 97. The middle one, in my opinion, is like it's like, yeah, nice to have, but I would prefer going to the $97 because it's more attractive. You get started, you test it out, or say, okay, everything makes sense. Let's go unlimited. And you go unlimited to $97 a month. So that's the range. 97, everything is unlimited. So I'm not going to go into detail about it. Everything is unlimited. That is on the monthly plan. If you look at the annual plan, you're spending about $14 a month on the startup, and no less, yeah, you about, I don't even know how much it is. It's quite a good amount to have for 120 bucks, I think so, if I'm not mistaken, on the unlimited per month. So under $1,000, you can either pay the unlimited plan, or if you want to under $200, you can get the yearly startup plan. In my opinion, the yearly startup plan is pretty cool. Okay. That being said, by the way, guys, when it comes to Systeme.io, I do provide tech support. Both, as I said, both these softwares are good. How do you find the tech support for myself? Well, it's simple, very simple. You go to my website, which I will link in the description of this video, which will take you to getpaidwithdave.com and affiliate marketing. We will not go to the blog. I'll just take you to the website itself, which is right here. It'll take you here, and you can scroll down on this page. This has everything. Okay, this has my videos. This has literally everything that I do. If you're interested, you can check out right here. But if you want to simplify the process and get some tech support from myself, then you can by clicking over here, get access to this video, and you can see right here, Systeme.io annual plan. So if you go on the annual plan for Systeme.io, any of these annual plans, I would recommend the cheapest option for you is to go to the startup annual plan. Okay, then under me, so that means you click the link in the description of this video, clear cache and cookies. First you clear cache and cookies. You click the link in the description of this video. You upgrade to the plan, to the annual plan, and get started. So make your payment. I will be able to get a commission. So I will need to check in my account whether you have signed up to me. If that's the case, then I'm happy to get on a call with you, and we will go through the entire process, whatever your funnel is, whatever your product is, whatever kind of questions that you have related to Systeme.io. I've been using it for the last 2 years. I have experience of building lots of things with it. I mean, this entire website that you can see right here is being built with Systeme.io, by the way. Okay, this entire thing has been built. All of these pages, I'm going to just show you very quickly. If you go to the About section, you'll see that this entire About section also was done by Systeme.io. If you go to Learn, you'll see that tools, YouTube, programs, blog itself. I'm just opening the last blog that I did, all done with Systeme.io. All done with Systeme.io. So that being said, I know what I'm talking about if you guys want that support and help. Okay, so that link will be in the description. This specifically to simplify the process if you want to get started with or get any tech support from me. Otherwise, you can go ahead and do it on your own. Absolutely fine. I just wanted to stop and mention for Systeme.io that I have that available. Okay, I do not have that available for Clickfunnels, unfortunately, guys. It's just Systeme.io. But that is what you see right here. This is the plans. Simple, clear. Now we will go to ClickFunnels, and we will look at the monthly plans for ClickFunnels. The ClickFunnels monthly plans start with 14 days free trial. Let me put it that way. 14-day free trial. And then you have a $97 per month startup cost. So if you want your journey to be a constant upgrade, I always look at both these options or both these tools in this manner. I start off with Systeme.io, go from a 0 to a 17 to a 20 to a 47 to 97. And then once I reach the 97, I'm like, okay, now I've understood exactly how things are. I understood my process. I want to launch a new business, and I want to scale quickly with that business. What am I going to do? I'm going to start with ClickFunnels. So a lot of vendors, if you go to an affiliate to a vendor perspective, a lot of vendors start with ClickFunnels. Why do they start with ClickFunnels? Because they've gone through that affiliate section and then they go to a vendor. And I think ClickFunnels is really good for vendors. So if you're in the affiliate marketing space and you're a vendor and you want to use it for your own funnels and everything else, then obviously it makes sense to go with ClickFunnels. So $97 a month. The difference between ClickFunnels and Systeme.io, another thing when it comes to pricing, is that the features that are available for ClickFunnels are always limited. However, for Systeme.io, there is an unlimited plan. Only thing that is unlimited with the main thing that is unlimited with ClickFunnels is the funnels itself. The other features, the monthly emails per month that you can send, right? So you start off with 50K per month, then go to 300, then go to 750. I know it's a lot of emails, 750K per month, but emails per month. But I'm just saying everything else has limitations. Okay. So maybe these limitations don't matter to you because you don't do this volume. It's fine. I'm just telling you that those limitations exist. Like I said, the limitations might not mean anything. Okay. So that's what it costs you. And then if you go to the annual plans, they do have a dominate plan, which costs you $697. Sorry, $597. $5,997. Let me put it that. It costs you $5,997, which is, I would say, the annual plan only. And it is the unlimited experience with ClickFunnels. It's really good, but you need to be making a distinct amount of money for you to go in that direction, right? I'm not saying that it is not available. It's definitely got good applications. I personally love ClickFunnels, but as I said, I look at both of these for different purposes. I want you to ask yourself this question. This is very much related to affiliate marketing. Where are you on your journey? What do you actually need the funnel for? I personally use this software for emailing and building pages. That is all that I personally use it for. So for me, Systeme.io was more than enough. If you want to use any of these, if you have team members, if you want to have 3 courses, if you want to have group onboarding calls, AI tools, and so on and so forth, then maybe ClickFunnels is for you. Look at yourself, and if I do anything else is to encourage you, look at what you are doing in your affiliate marketing journey. And honestly, most people will be fine with Systeme.io. Literally, to be honest, and this is not in my benefit, I'm saying this to you because I care and I want to help you guys. Most of you don't even need the paid accounts. Most of you will be fine with the free account getting started if you're really getting started. However, you will move pretty quickly from the free account to the startup account if you know what you're doing. I personally couldn't wait to get to the startup account because I knew exactly what I wanted to do, and the startup plan allowed me to do that. So I hope this was clear. I hope this video gave you some insight. If you have any questions, obviously, please let me know in the comment section below. If you're an affiliate marketer, you have any questions, again, let me know there. And obviously you can reach out to me for tech support. You can reach out to me for any concerns that you have. Consider coming back on Friday for another video because I post about strategies on affiliate marketing specifically on Fridays. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.